As Da Vinci had rightly instructed us, we should realize everything connects to everything else. Drawing upon this vision, the Internet of Everything framework lies at the heart of the interaction of these heterogeneous technologies, creating the synergy between them, as the whole is always greater than sum of its parts. This is definitely related to organizations as well. Any organization which can internalize this IoE vision will hugely benefit from it in mainly three aspects. First, the organizations who can internalize the Internet of Everything vision can develop new solutions based on these emerging technologies with their better and emboldened visions in their businesses for maximizing their value-added solutions for better use of resources. Secondly, the organizations will be able to quantify the impact of incorporating emerging technologies ranging from bio-nanotechnologies to next-generation ICT into their business workflows so that they can make the business processes much more efficient, and they will be able to maximize their added value in their businesses. Lastly, the organizations will be able to identify the inefficiencies in their existing processes and then be able to use the interactions within the IoE framework to maximize the efficiency in their business processes.